We handle the most serious personal injury cases in the state of Florida. Personal injury cases are different from other cases because they have more significant and long-lasting repercussions to clients. When a client comes to me, they are often scared about the unknown. They are injured and they're scared about their medical bills.
After having been a partner at an insurance defense firm, I saw what they were doing to these people who were truly injured. And seeing that really drove me to want to help these people who have been injured. To have peace, you must prepare for war. We prepare our client's case for trial from day one. By doing that, we are achieving better results for our clients effectively and fairly.
The day of the accident, me and my wife went to Publix on 13th Avenue, where we live. We stopped and talked to my brother. While we were standing there talking, a car came along and sideswiped us.
The very next day, I was in so much pain overnight, we went to urgent care. My biggest fear was not knowing what to expect.
When I told him what happened, Sean said he'll take it from there. He took the time out to show us that he really cared and that he was really concerned about the situation and our injury, and I felt so much better. He cares so much about his clients, his people. He got a great heart.
They go the extra mile through the whole process. I would definitely recommend personal injury attorneys, McQuaid and Douglas. They're here to save the day.
There is a reason why we have been around practicing law in the state of Florida for over 60 years. That's because we do not take advantage of people. We take an aggressive yet common sense approach to every personal injury case.
Our clients want to get better. They want compensation. They want to be made whole. I know the tactics that these insurance companies are using against their own insureds, and I know how to prepare my clients and set their cases up for success. At Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, we know what our clients are up against. Let us guide you through this process. Let us be a resource for you to achieve the outcome that you need, that you deserve.